crown dissolved to dust and claim. Greater Poland bent to foreign rule, and peace turned peace against the name.
Bohemia entered as heir and king, Wenceslaus wore the Polish crown, while lesser dukes secured their lands and let the kingdom fall back down.
Łokietek held no lasting siege, driven from Kraków, from Sandomierz, by Czech-backed rivals, by nobles' councils, by stronger claims and wider ties. Exile followed exile's road, Hungary's court, Ruthenian halls, yet never did he yield his claim, nor bend to foreign overlords' calls.
Not one war won him back the land, but years of bargains, loss and strain. For Poland's crown was not reclaimed by sword alone, but will sustain. Between past blood and foreign law, between defeat and slow return, the crown was shaped in patient fire, in lessons only time can learn.
In lesser Poland banners rose, but Mazovia stood divided still, while Silesian dukes chose empire's hand and ruled beneath another will.
Henry of Głogów pressed his claim, Greater Poland weighed its choice, and every alliance cut and bound, a kingdom yet without one voice.
When Wenceslaus fell and Bohemia weakened, the balance of the land turned slow. Łokietek moved with cautious speed to claim what chance would now allow.
Kraków opened not by force, but by councils tired of foreign reign, yet revolt would test him once again in streets where loyalty was thin. Not one war won him back the land, but years of bargains, loss and strain. For Poland's crown was not reclaimed by sword alone, but will sustain. Between Christ's blood and foreign law, between defeat and slow return, the crown was shaped in patient fire, and lessons only time can learn.
German councils defied his rule in Kraków, streets and mines of salt. Rebellion flared where trade outweighed the weight of Piast blood and fault. The uprising crushed authority set, yet trust came slow to broken land. For unity required not fear, but law enforced by steady hand. The order pressed from Prussian walls, Brandenburg weighed the western line. Bohemia watched the southern hills for signs the crown would fail in time. No peace was certain, no border safe, yet Poland stood as state and name. A kingdom born mid struggle still, its crown secured through claim and For crowns reclaimed through exile's years are heavier than those once worn. They bind not only land and law, but memory of what was torn. And Poland rose not whole nor safe, but standing where it once had ceased. A kingdom shaped by patience hard, not chance, not fate, but will increase.
Epilogue.